As business environments grow in complexity, the requirements for each life safety project are unique and can evolve in different ways over time. When designing a fire detection system, choosing the right aspirating smoke detector, or ASD, is about finding a solution that balances working reliably to keep your client's environment protected while working effortlessly, making every phase starting with the design and extending to installation and maintenance as smooth and efficient as possible. Introducing ModuLaser from Kidde Commercial, the first ever modular designed aspirating smoke detector, providing endless flexibility for how you design and utilize your ASD solutions. ModuLaser reduces total equipment costs by an average of 37% compared to the typical category install due to its modular design, which minimizes total device and installation requirements. Each detector connects to the display module with simple RS-485 wiring and can serve up to 820 feet of sampling pipe. So you can buy only what you need now and easily add coverage later if the project changes or expands. Detectors and display modules can be grouped together or distributed, so you get full coverage without adding unnecessary transport time. And each zone can be configured completely independently for sensitivity, alarm thresholds, outputs, and more, with no need to balance airflow between zones. ModuLaser is uniquely modular and endlessly flexible. It's ideal for locations where maintenance access is difficult, smoke stratification exists, or where detection needs to be concealed. ModuLaser detectors have classifier AI and laser dust discrimination, which overcome oversensitivity and nuisance alarm issues by discerning normal variations in air quality from true fire risks, allowing them to be integrated into places where ASDs may not have been practical before. In addition to data centers and distribution sites, ModuLaser satisfies a number of challenging applications, including atria with high ceilings, extreme environments like cold storage facilities, or hospitals where very early detection is critical. And compliance with UL 268 7th edition requirements ensures that ModuLaser meets the highest standards of reliability and performance. ModuLaser. Uniquely modular, endlessly flexible. Contact your Kidde Commercial dealer today to learn how ModuLaser can benefit your aspirating smoke detection needs.